Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Cozycozy, Accommodation Search and Comparison app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Cozycozy is a travel accommodation comparison app designed to help users find and compare stays from hundreds of booking platforms all in one place. Instead of switching between multiple apps like Booking.com, Airbnb, or Expedia, Cozycozy combines them into a single search platform. It's available on both iOS and Android and is built to make travel planning simpler and more efficient. The app's main feature is its unified accommodation search engine, which displays results from hotels, vacation homes, hostels, apartments, and even unique stays like cabins or treehouses. Users can filter results based on price, amenities, distance, or guest reviews to find exactly what fits their needs. Cozycozy also provides direct links to partner sites for booking, ensuring users always get the best available deal. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Cozycozy's clean interface, accurate comparison results, and wide variety of listings. It saves time for frequent travelers by centralizing all major booking options and making it easier to find affordable or unique stays quickly. The map-based browsing feature also helps users visualize accommodation options near landmarks or specific areas. However, there are some drawbacks. Since Cozycozy does not process bookings directly, users are redirected to external platforms for final reservations, which may lead to varied refund or cancellation policies. Some users also mention that real-time availability and prices can differ slightly depending on partner sites. Additionally, the app is primarily focused on accommodation. It doesn't yet include flight or activity bookings. In summary, the Cozycozy app may be worth using if you want an easy and efficient way to compare accommodation options, find the best prices, and explore a variety of stay types all in one app. However, if you prefer booking directly through a single platform or need a full travel package tool, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.